Okay, in this video we will be determining sum, standard deviation, average, min and max in Excel. So this is our quick data set 1 through 10. And we want to calculate sum, standard deviation, average, and min and max. So let's just write down what we want. We want sum, we want standard deviation, we can call it STD, we want average, and we want min, and we want max. And to do it in Excel is very easy. So for example, we want sum. We can hit this icon right here, hit the arrow, and hit sum. Then it asks what numbers are we summing. We want to sum this set right here. So we can just simply drag and drop from A1 to A10. Hit OK. And if you were to use a calculator, you would get 55. Next, we do standard deviation. So same thing, hit the arrow, but standard deviation isn't here, so you hit more functions, and it's right here, STDEV. Hit OK. And now our numbers. The numbers we want is from A1 to A10 like last time, so just drag and drop, and then hit OK. Next, we want average. So you do the same thing, arrow, hit average, drag and drop, and fast forward, let's do min and max real quick. Min, drag and drop, lastly max, drag and drop. And now there's another way to do it. For example, sum, it just simply equal sum your numbers. So instead of using this icon here, I can do the same thing by simply typing. If I type equal sum parentheses, drag and drop, close parentheses, okay, same number. Likewise, standard deviation, it's equal STDEV. So you say equal STDEV, parentheses, drag and drop, close parentheses, okay. And that's all you need to do to calculate sum, standard deviation, average, min and max in Excel.